Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is a quick one. How to use GameStop gift card. How can you actually redeem GameStop gift card? Now, if you like this type of videos, definitely check out our other videos on our channel. But let's get started with the video. So basically, as you can see, how can you use GameStop gift cards online? Now, using a GameStop gift card online starts with you adding it to your GameStop account. So first, you need to log in into your GameStop account and you need to select redeem. So make sure to go and find redeem where it says redeem, and you need to type in the gift code and the PIN. From there, you can spend the gift card's value on your next purchase through your GameStop online store, which has like a fantastic options. A lot of like retail stores are full, but you should check online if you're looking for a specific item and you can't find it. Additionally, you can also use GameStop gift cards offline as well in the stores, and you can basically give them the gift code and the PIN and in the retail store, and then you can basically go and buy any sort of game you want. Now, as you can see, every GameStop gift card has a 19-digit code, and online eligible cards have 4-digit PIN. So if you ever purchase a GameStop from a third-party retailer, make sure the codes are the right length. Some scams are using fake gift card codes, so they don't have different code lengths. So that is one sign that your GameStop gift card is great and that is valid. So again, this is how you can go and how you can use GameStop gift card. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.